Hey, I'm Robin. I like to run. I went to this party the other night and someone looked at me and they were like, hey, do you like to run? And I was like, yeah, I like to run. And then they were like, cool, do you want to run Hood to Coast with me? And I was like, what's that? And they were like, it's this relay race from Mount Hood to the coast of Oregon. I was like, hell yeah, sign me up. And then she was like, give me $300. So you might be thinking that's a lot of money, and by all accounts it definitely is for a race. But it is a really rare opportunity to run in this particular race. Apparently about 40,000 teams apply each year and only 1,000 get in. So just seems like a cool opportunity, and I don't really want to pay the whole 300 by myself, so that's why I'm making this video and asking you guys for a little bit of support. So if you want to support me doing this really cool race with on a team of 12, it's going to be next year, late August. And yeah, I'm going to start training, and if you want to support me, it would be superb. And I'll probably take some like little videos of the race and what my experience is like and share it at that time. But if you want to support me, I would super appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, one more thing. If you would like to help support me, then you can donate via the link that I'll include in the post that you see with this video. So it'll probably be a GoFundMe page and like help Robin race, something like that. So help out. Thanks.